Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix game already running error on itch.io. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, what you need to do is simply go ahead and open Task Manager right over here and simply go ahead and select itch and then just end task just like that. Once you've done that, simply try reopening and launching the game. If it's still having issues, then all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for run right down here and search for app data like that. And once you've done that, click on local, and now let's search for itch right over here. As you can see, this is the application right over here. Simply go ahead and right click on it, click on properties, and then click on security, and then on the user that you are on, click on edit and allow full control. So modify, read and execute, read and write, right? Once you've done that, go to this compatibility page and simply go ahead and right or left click on this, run this as an administrator right over here, and that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.